Alright, so we have the dismounted T-Maxx all cleaned up after a race weekend. Didn't get to finish qualifying. Nothing issues with the exhaust manifold. Gas tanks all clean. All the nooks and crannies. Got in there real nice and good. Now I'm going to try to figure out how to get the easy start system. It's pretty much screwed, the motor. But I have a couple of motors lying around. I'm gonna try to put in there. One-way bearing's still good. Took all the gears apart. Everything's good. Nothing stripped. And then the easy start system. All we'll basically have to do is just solder on the positive and negative back onto the good motor. If you wanted to go that way, if we couldn't find the pull start, and we go look around, see what I got. But that's what she's looking like. Clean,